Here in this picture, this boy is telling something about food. What is he telling? He is saying, I eat healthy food and always have it on time. He is telling two things. He is saying he eats healthy food. What does the mean of healthy food? Do you know, students? Let me tell you. Healthy food consists of vitamin, protein and minerals. Do you know, students, that milk is considered complete food? And many students, many children do not like having milk. It is wrong. Children should have milk regularly. And the second thing, he is telling, always have it on time. Meal should be taken on time. Sometimes children are busy in watching television. That should not be. And they delay having food. And they have food late night. It is not fruitful for them. That's why people should have meal on proper time. Let's move further. What is he saying about him? I always play in the open area so that I can breathe fresh air. He is saying, I do not play outdoor games inside my house. He plays in open area. Do you know, students? Some children play outdoor games in their street and out of their home. It is not good because some of our neighbor may be sick. Some of our neighbor may get irritated with the noise of children. They may be sick and they do not like. That's why children should go in park to play so that no one will be disturbed as well as they breathe fresh air. Let's move further to know what is he saying. Here this boy is combing his hair. I comb my hair. Dear student, see, C-O-M-B. Here the correct pronunciation is comb. Some students pronounce it comb. It is not comb, it is comb. B is always silent here. I comb my hair twice a day. This boy combs his hair twice a day, and every children should comb hair twice a day before going to school and in evening when he or she goes in park to play. I trim my nails twice a week and keep them clean. When our nails grow, it may be harmful for us in many ways. That's why it is must to trim them twice a week. We may trim them accordingly and keep them clean. When we trim them, it will be cleaned on and on. We do not let them grow at all. I sit, stand and walk erect. Yes, it is regarding posture. Dear students, we should walk, we should stand and we should sit erect. Erect means upright. We should not bend from shoulder as well as from back. It looks very awkward. That's why we should sit, stand and walk erect. Our correct posture shows confident. Okay, students, let's move further. I always use my own handkerchief. Dear students, while sneezing, while wiping, sweating, we should use always our own handkerchief. If we use others' handkerchief, it may be cause of our illness. Here in this picture, he is saying, I always wash my hands properly. I never eat anything with dirty hands. He is saying, before eating anything, I wash my hand properly. When we play in garden, when we are in school, and when we go to market to shop, there may be any germs may stuck to our hands. That's why after coming back to home, before having meal, we should wash our hand properly. Otherwise, germs may go inside of our body and they may make us sick. To protect ourselves, it's very necessary to wash our hand properly before eating anything else. Here he is saying, I always take my meals on time. Dear students, he is saying whether it is lunch or dinner, he always takes his meal on time. He does not delay it. They take their dinner late night due to their study, due to their amusement. They delay taking their meal. That should not be. I always go to bed early at night so that he can wake up early in the morning, he can do brush and he can go for walking to follow each and every activities which he has described earlier in this chapter. He sleep early at night. Okay students, in this way we can keep ourselves fit and healthy and we can keep our body clean. I hope you have understood it.